How to fix Pre-auth Integrity Verification Failed. Error in ChatGPT. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the Pre-auth Integrity Verification Failed error when trying to open the ChatGPT app. If you just downloaded the app and it's not launching properly, don't worry. This guide will help you get it working in no time. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps or App Management. This might look a bit different depending on your device. Now look for ChatGPT in the list. You can scroll or just use the search bar to find it faster. Once you tap on it, go to Storage and Cache or just Storage. Then tap Clear Cache, and right after that, tap Clear Data. Don't worry, this won't delete your account. It just resets the app's internal files. Now try opening ChatGPT again. If it works, awesome, you're done. If not, let's move on to the next fix. Sometimes this error is caused by an outdated Play Store. So here's what to do. Open the Google Play Store and tap your profile icon in the top right. Go to Settings, then tap About. Scroll to the bottom and look for Update Play Store. If you see it, tap it and let the update finish. Now that the Play Store is updated, let's move to the next step. Go back to the Play Store search bar and type ChatGPT. If there's an update button next to it, tap it to install the latest version. Having the newest version of both the app and the Play Store helps avoid this error. And that's it. After following these steps, clearing the app data, updating the Play Store, and updating the ChatGPT app, the error should be gone. If you still see the message, let me know in the comments and I'll try to help.